How to use ONE4ALL gift card online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can use your ONE4ALL gift card via the online queries. The very first thing that you want to do is to activate the PIN code of ONE4ALL gift card. To do so, just simply head straight into oneforall.com/activate, and this is where you can activate your chip and PIN card gifts. Now from here, just simply log in or create an account, follow on-screen prompts, and then just simply upload your requested documents, and then your PIN will be issued within 24 hours. Now once your PIN card or your gift card is fully activated, this is the time that you can use them. This is where you can place any orders that you would like to have on queries and just simply change your payment method into via debit and simply input the details of the ONE4ALL gift card that you have here. And that's how you use ONE4ALL gift card and online queries.